In this video, I'm going to teach you Yang Style Single Whip. The Yang Style Single Whip shows up in the short Yang form set, as well as the 24 and the 108. So go ahead and get in your Tai Chi stance, sitting on your windowsill, elongating your spine, softening your knees. Weight shift to your right leg and bring your left foot into what's called an empty stance. So it's just a little toe touch here. Now you're going to hold with your right hand a bell. So it's called a hook grasp, it's a little bell. And then read a book with your left hand. And we're simply going to turn 90 degrees through our central axis. The leg goes with it. So turn, place the foot, then as you weight shift, just gently push into the marshmallow. Make sure your nose is aligned with your dantian and come back. Let's try that a couple more times. Sitting down on the windowsill on your right, left foot's in empty stance, holding the bell, reading the book. Now turn, place the foot, slight weight shift, push into the marshmallow, and elongate the spine. We'll do it one more time. Turn through that central axis, goes through the crown of your head all the way down, turn around the central axis, and sitting into your windowsill. Common errors with this are reaching with the foot separate from the body. This is incorrect. If you just learn to turn your whole dantian, then your leg will go with it. It's almost like it's a pendulum swinging out. So the leg just goes. So common error is reaching with the leg. Instead, just turn the dantian, leg goes with it. Another common error is to weight shift forward too much. So you set the foot and try not to weight shift too forward or lean into it. You see how this puts my knee over my toes? We don't want to do that. So you equalize it out. It's about 60%, 40%. So with me, turn, place the foot, slight weight shift, turning and pushing into the marshmallow. So try it with me. Turn through the axis, place the foot. As you weight shift, slight weight shift, turn the hand, push into the marshmallow, sit down on the windowsill. Let's try it again. Turn through the central axis, place the foot, slight weight shift, push into the marshmallow, elongate the spine. Great. Now let's try it to the other side. Weight shift onto your left, right foot's empty stance. You're sitting down on your windowsill, hold the bell left, read the book right. You're all set up. All you have to do is turn that dantian 90 degrees, foot goes with it, slight weight shift, and push into the marshmallow. Elongate the spine. Make sure you're not over weight shifting. Make sure this hand hasn't followed along, that you keep it away from the body. Let's do it 3 times to this side. Turn, place, push into the marshmallow. Turn, place, push into the marshmallow. Turn, place, push into the marshmallow. One other common error with when learning this form is having too narrow of a stance with the turn. You want to make sure that as you turn the full 90 degrees, place the foot. As opposed to reaching forward. And now if I slide this foot straight back, you see how it hits my heel? Then that means I have too narrow of a stance. So you can imagine that this is not a very stable stance. That's why it's so important that I really focus in on my central axis. I turn, 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 turn. Then the foot just goes where it needs to go. Now, when I slide it back, if I turn my heel, I'm shoulder width apart. So when you make your turn, try not to think that way. Think to the back corner. So you're turning, placing the foot. Your foot's still pointed straight ahead, but your angle of turn is to the back corner. I'm going to take a side view so you can see. So I turn, place, and push into the marshmallow. Now you can see that I have a space between my heels. So if I slide this straight back and turn, I'm shoulder width apart. As opposed to reaching forward, if I slide back, it's hitting my foot too narrow of a stance. Let's go ahead and try 3 more. Hold the bell, read the book. Turn on your central axis, place the foot. One more. And that is your lesson on single whip. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please make sure to check out my other videos and courses online at flowingmobility.com.